everybody. Last week I was working on a pair of skull and feather earrings and had a little cleanup situation that I thought I would share. Thought it might be interesting. But I was soldering this large ring down to the back plate like this, and I had a little bit too much solder and it left a pretty good sized blob on the inside of the ring that I needed to clean up. Well, especially had this been a bezel that I was setting a stone in, I would definitely needed to have cleaned that little blob of solder out. So I just thought I'd share how I went about fixing that. So I like using these sandpaper discs for cleaning up things. And what's cool is that they are paper. So I take my circle disc template and I brought it over to my piece that I was working on. And I found a diameter that would fit inside, and not exactly, but that would leave a little bit of space. So on this one, right here, this one will work. And I just take it over to my discs and trace it on. And I can cut that out and have a little custom sized sandpaper disc. Now I have a disc that I can easily fit within this ring and clean up right against that edge. Okay, I tried to recreate a little blob. It's not as big as what I had happen the other day, but I think you can see inside there. And that would be enough were I setting a stone in this to offset it. So we'll just use our new cut disc and clean it up. That made quick work of cleaning up that little spot. It's so hard to show this. But it gets right up against that edge, so now I can, actually I'll just go through and clean the entire bottom floor of that. So that made real quick work of cleaning up the inside of that ring. But I just wanted to share, because sometimes I know when we're working on things and something happens like that and you panic for a minute, like how am I going to clean that up? And you may not even think about, trimming down something that you already have. You just kind of are like, you grab your disc and, oh, that won't fit, but luckily with these, we can just trim them down and make them fit within some little tight circles. But I just wanted to share that. And I'll show some process of these earrings too, or just the steps of these earrings as well. And for the next couple of weeks, I think the videos are just going to be me capturing the process of Brian and I making a squash blossom necklace. So big necklace, lots of handmade beads. We're trying to prep for a show in July, and I really need to buckle down. So maybe this will help too if I'm filming it and sharing each week. So the next few videos will just be the steps of making a squash blossom necklace.